Now, I have made a shrimp using dough. If you pay close attention, you too can easily make it. If you mix some sugar into it, you can even fry it. Frying will enhance the taste, and you will enjoy a completely new flavor. Watching this creativity might inspire you to unleash your own creativity as well. Friends, watch how I create the corn shape with dough. Just follow what I'm doing carefully, and you'll be able to do it too. I haven't used anything special here, just dough and my creativity. By watching this video, your creativity will grow, and you'll learn something new. In today's video, I will show you how to create a fish shape using dough. With this video, you can easily make a fish shape using clay or dough. This is a creative project that will help unleash your imagination. However, one important thing to keep in mind, never try to cook or eat this fish. Since it's made purely for artistic purposes, it won't taste like real fish, and you won't get the flavor you're expecting. So, after watching the video, you'll be able to easily create a fish shape with dough using your hands. Today, I created a rabbit's head using dough. By watching this video, you'll be able to create a rabbit's head easily too. See how simply I made it. Just follow the method shown in the video, and you'll be able to create it with ease. This video demonstrates in a very simple way how to create a frog shape using flour or clay. By following the method shown in this video, you can easily create a beautiful frog shape. If you work with creativity and patience, you'll be able to create an amazing frog shape with your own hand.